Hello mga teach! In this video, I'll give you a full walkthrough of the calendar tab on Preply. Let's go mga teach! So once you're logged in mga teach, just click the calendar tab at the top of your screen. So this is where you can plot your schedule, add extra slots, set time off, and most importantly, you can set your availability. So the calendar nga pala mga teach has two ways, or you have two ways to view your calendar. So the first one is the weekly view. It shows your whole week from 12 a.m. to 11 p.m. And then the second one is the agenda view. So this gives you the overview of your upcoming classes day by day. So let's go back to the weekly view, mga teach. Let's have the color coding things here on the sides, mga teach. So Preply's calendar uses different colors for different kind of classes. So green, that means that is your first lesson with a new student. Blue, one time or single lesson. Pink, recurring weekly classes. Yellow, it means time off. And then gray, it means that your calendar, your Preply calendar is synced with your Google Calendar events. Yes, mga teach, you can sync your Google Calendar with Preply. Just go to settings, calendar, connect Google account, and then choose the account you want to link. Let's now have the class status icons, mga teach. So for this one, there are two icons that you need to remember or you need to be familiar with. The first one is the clock icon. So this means that the lesson is awaiting confirmation from the student. So it means that we are not yet paid for that class. Next, this one, the check icon. This means that the lesson is already confirmed and paid. Don't worry mga teach if the students forgets to confirm the class because Preply auto confirms it after 3 days and you'll get paid automatically. Let's now have this one, setting your availability. This is very important mga teach. Let me show you how to set up your availability. Madali lang to mga teach. So I'll give you a walkthrough on how you can set up your availability. So first, you need to click setup availability on the calendar page, and then it will direct you to the weekly calendar. Tap on any empty slots to open it up for booking. And if you want to delete that specific slot, you will need to tap on it again and then delete slot. Let's now have the color hints, mga teach. So if that is blue slots, that means normal open time. So there's those students who are booking on those hours. Or next, pink slots mean that is the peak hours. That's actually the peak hours, mga teach. So that means that there is a high demand for those pink slots. For example, Tuesday and Wednesday morning, like 8 to 9 a.m., often show up as pink. So meaning to say, a lot of students are online during that time. Extra tips, mga teach, you can block time off for personal errands, travels, or school duties. Update your calendar. You can also update your calendar regularly so your students know when to book. Try to keep some flexible evening slots, especially for international students in different time zones. So that's it, mga teach. Napakadali lang. It's very simple to set up your calendar or to set up your availability on Preply.